Ahoy, my culinary crew! Captain Cook here, ready to set sail on a voyage of flavour. Today, we're conquering the golden shores of Saffron Rice, and I promise it's easier than navigating a bathtub duck. Saffron, the treasure of the spice world. It's got a reputation for being fancy, but trust me, even a landlubber can master this dish. Here's what you'll need. 1½ cups of long grain rice. A generous pinch of saffron threads. 2 tablespoons of butter. Half an onion, finely chopped. 3 cups of chicken broth. A pinch of salt. Let's get cooking. First, we need to unlock the magic of the saffron. Take those golden threads and put them in a small bowl. Add a couple of tablespoons of warm water. Let them steep for about 5 minutes. This will release that beautiful colour and flavour. Now melt your butter in a pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion. Cook the onion until it's soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. See? Golden and soft, just like a pirate's heart on a good day. Now add your rice. Stir it well, coating all the grains in that buttery goodness. Now for the treasure. Add your chicken broth and the saffron water, including those lovely threads. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Now patience is a virtue, my friends. Let the rice work its magic. Ah, look at that. Perfectly cooked, fragrant saffron rice. Fluff it up with a fork and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it. Easy, beautiful saffron rice, perfect as a side dish or even as a base for your favorite curry or stew. Absolutely delicious. The saffron gives it that subtle floral flavour and the rice is perfectly cooked. So set your sails for flavour and give this easy saffron rice a try. Until next time, happy cooking, my culinary crew.